Unfortunately, statistics confirm in the modern world that there will inevitably be breakdowns in personal relationships. Without appropriate advice, the financial consequences of these breakdowns can be devastating. I'm here to discuss this issue further with Kristi Foale, family lawyer. Thanks for joining me, Kristi.
Thanks, Charles.
So, Kristi, what are some of the factors that need to be taken into account with a property settlement?
The duration of the relationship is a key factor. The initial contributions in terms of the assets and liabilities that the parties bring into the relationship and their respective values, whether the parties have any children, and certainly their future earning capacity is relevant.
Sexually transmitted debt is a major issue in relationship breakdowns in the modern world. How can you actually protect yourself against this?
In a shorter relationship, by certainly avoiding entering into joint personal loans or other joint debt, avoiding signing documents until you're aware of exactly what you're signing up to, and avoiding taking on responsibility for household bills, for example, electricity or rates or those sorts of costs that might be incurred during the relationship.
Prenuptial agreements get some media attention overseas. How prevalent are they here in Australia?
They're becoming much more common because parties are marrying later in life after having multiple relationships. There's also the fact that people are earning higher incomes these days and like to plan ahead for those contingencies, such as relationships coming to an end.
So with a prenuptial agreement, what are the formalities you need to go through?
They are quite a prescribed process, so the Act sets out in quite some detail what has to occur. It's compulsory to have legal advice from a family law solicitor about the effect and certainly the advantages and disadvantages of one of those agreements. But it's all about creating certainty, minimising the risk and giving a clear outcome in the event that separation were to occur.
So there's a perception often that prenuptial agreements are just the domain of the wealthy, but are they available for everyone?
Absolutely. They're open to everybody to do, and we certainly find that it's a wide variety of people that are interested in the agreements. Everybody from the high income earner to people in their perhaps second or third relationship and wanting to plan ahead in the event that something were to go wrong. So there's no prescribed person or type of person that enters into these agreements.
Thank you for your time, Kristi. It's a fascinating insight into what happens in a relationship breakdown, and I hope I never need to come and visit you.
Quite right.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.